Sorry, the computer has to turn back on, so I can't do it from my laptop. The computer's not connected.
It's on? Basics of this launch, Brittany. I said don't say my name. After the Colombian disaster, let's discuss the launch of the shuttle.
Oh my gosh, Brittany. 2 seconds. Oh my god.
No.
Try it again, let's go. Oh my gosh.
No. I see, I was fine that time. I'm sorry, okay. Okay, last time.
Do it,
okay.
go.
No. Oh my god, you almost missed the line.